In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images glow in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a unique, vibrant touch to their designs. Whether you're working on a project for social media, a presentation, or just for fun, giving your images a glow effect can really make them stand out. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating this captivating effect using Canva. To start, open Canva and select the image you would like to enhance. If you're unsure about how to do this, navigate to your design page and click on the image you wish to give a glowing effect. Once you've chosen your image, the first essential step is to create a duplicate. This is important because one image will serve as the base, while the duplicate will be manipulated to achieve the glow effect. To duplicate your image, click the duplicate icon, typically located on the toolbar at the top. After duplicating your image, drag this copy to the side. This will allow you to work on the duplicate without inadvertently altering the original. Now that you have your duplicate ready, click on the Edit menu to access a variety of tools that Canva offers for photo editing. For our purposes today, we're particularly interested in the duotone effect. Click on Duotone, and you'll see a selection of color overlays available for you to use. This effect will set the foundation for our glowing look. Choose a duotone color that complements your original image. This is your chance to experiment and see how different colors affect the overall glow and vibe. The color you choose will determine the tone of the glow, so select one that enhances the visual appeal of your project. Once you've selected a color, the next step is to apply a blur effect to this duplicate image. Click on the Blur tool and then choose the option to blur the whole image. It's important to blur the entire duplicate image to achieve that soft, glowing effect. This step softens the edges and creates an ethereal look, pivotal for our glowing effect. Adjust the intensity slider for the blur and set it to 100. A full intensity blur will create a strong glow, making your image really stand out. Now, with your blurred and colored duplicate in place, it's time to combine it with the original image. Drag the blurred colored duplicate back over the original image, aligning them perfectly. It's this combination that works the magic, creating a soft glow radiating from beneath your image. To complete the effect, use the Position tool and select the Backward option. This will layer the glowing duplicate behind the original image and give your creation that fantastic glow with color. And there you have it, a glowing image ready to captivate any audience. Enjoy experimenting with different colors and intensities to perfect your design. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.